Okay. Here's a thing that's a bit fiddly, but is useful for sort of your dialectical purposes, and that's the fact that any valid argument can be run backwards. This is the notorious rule of contrapositive, right? So this is the slide that we're looking at the moment. And so if you've got some proposition P and it entails Q, right? So that means entailment means if P is true, then Q has to be true, right? So P entails Q. Well, it follows that not Q entails not P. So if it's the case that let's see, if from the fact that all conservatives are lizards, then David Cameron is a lizard, if that follows, then from the fact that David Cameron is not a lizard, it follows that it's not the case that all conservatives are lizards, right? So this has the handy feature that you can do a kind of judo move on somebody else's argument, right? So somebody writes a whole book, 600 pages, arguing that P entails Q, and also offers some rather shaky reasons for thinking that P is true, right? You can say, well, thank you very much. I offer you some powerful reasons for thinking that Q is false, and the very argument that you've developed over 600 pages showing that P entails Q also shows that not Q entails not P, and therefore, since I have reason to believe that Q is false, that shows that together with your own argument that you worked so hard to write, that shows that P is false.